Okay, so Sheikh, my question is that will men who were not married and go to Jannah, will they get Hoor and Ain as wives? And if they were only married with one wife, what about them? Jazakallah khair.
وَجَزَاكُمْ. These are things of the unseen. And people, when they involve themselves in thinking about such things, shaitan messes up their heads big time. And sometimes it makes them doubt the rulings of Islam, which means that their iman is not complete, if there is any iman to begin with. Why do we say this? Because as if you're judging or doubting Allah's generosity. This is weird. The Prophet told us, alayhi salatu wassalam, that in Jannah, in paradise, there is what no eye had seen, no ear had heard of, and it did not cross the heart of a human being. You cannot imagine it. It's beyond imagination due to the fact that it is the reward of Allah, the most generous, and satisfaction is guaranteed. So when you come in doubt and say, okay, Shaykh, a person died without a wife, is he going to be single in paradise? Are you nuts? Of course not. He will be satisfied the fullest beyond his imagination. Now the question is it going to be from the Hoor al-Ain, or is it going to be from women who themselves were divorced or were not married? Who cares? Allah guaranteed to satisfy you. So why, as the English say, the devil is in the details? Why do you allow shaitan to mess up with your head? This doesn't make any sense.